Hey, what's up everybody?
This is Todd. So I'm at Oxford Dam, leaving the boat behind, shore fishing for monsters. So what would you do right here? There's no way I can cast that water flow out there. That's not happening. And there's no water flowing through the inner part closer to shore here. All right, for fun, leave a comment right now about how you would fish this area, knowing to the far left, there's a little bit of water trickling down. All right, toss a night crawler, wacky rig on my light gear. For whatever reason, the big fish always hit my light gear. Never when I'm throwing 100-pound braid. That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, I feel it spinning. I think it's a big cat. There's going to be a big cat back in there. Little 1/8 ounce 2-thread jig. Just exerting its will. This is only 6-pound test fluoro. Okay, so I have no net. No measuring tape, no scale, but it's worth it to keep it light so you can walk up and down these shorelines. And there he goes. He's like, you want me to go where? Hope it doesn't spool me. Oh crap. Damn, he's being nice. He let me guide him over here. Now he's like, You can see where they raised the water though. That is all slime. So this is going to be interesting. Gotta get somewhere where I can get some good footing on the slime. It's a good spot. Oh, I hope it's a big blue. These things are beautiful. I haven't caught one in a while. I've got to get this fish over that rocky ledge. Alright, I'm gonna walk him down this way. Oh yeah, it's a cat. Big one. There we go. Like I said, always on my light gear. Let's get you back in. This is a chunker. You guys, this looks like it's going to be one and done right here. We need them to open up that middle area. It's too far out there for all the action. So I'm going to head up to the lake, fish for a little bit, and come back. Oh, you guys, this place is so snaggy that I'm literally just bringing a few extra jig heads because I know I'm gonna get snagged and popped off. Worms, and that's it. One fishing pole. I got fluorocarbon line on here, no leader. That's it. Keep it simple. Fish. White perch. Oops. He got free. He flipped free. He flipped free right into the water. I was going to show him to you.
It was a perch, wasn't it?
Yeah, a little white perch.
Oh, what did you end up catching?
Just a worm, just a plain night crawler. Yeah. That's the whole night crawler, wacky rig, 1/8 ounce jig. Spotted bass. Let him take it. White perch. I really wish those kids would have caught more fish. It's kind of what it's all about. Oh, there's a fish. Good fish. It's just swimming where it wants. Whoa! Wow. I'm hoping I can pull it downstream a little bit. Oh, he's coming up. Or not. It's not spinning. It's just swimming where it wants. I like catfish when they're big. These little spiky ones I'm not really a fan of. Come on, buddy. Look at cat. Another jig in the worm. Casting into that little fishy area. This is a healthy sized catfish. You know what, there's just enough water bubbling up on that side to be able to cast to it from that shore. So So I'm gonna head up over that bridge and walk down, leave the boat over there. Let's get onto it. There's a fish. Where are you? Is that a huge bluegill? Yeah, there's no way I'm going down there. That is a big ass bluegill. I think I can lift it up. This is the biggest bluegill I've seen in a long time. Oh, cool. What is that thing? Well, that's gonna do it, you guys. Amazing day. Oxford never disappoints. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching.